Peace be upon you, grade 4. We are in unit number 13 and the title of this unit is Can You Help Me? Today's lesson is going to be lesson number 2 and we will be learning a grammar rule. I would like you to open your student's book on this page. This is how the page looks like. It's written up here, listen to grammar 1. Please don't follow the number of this page because I'm using a PDF. So today we're going to learn about object pronouns. Before we start with anything that is related to this rule, we need to learn some of the basics. What is the meaning of a pronoun? What is the meaning of pronoun? Well, here we have a definition. A pronoun is any word that takes the place of a noun. A pronoun is any word, so it's a word that takes the place of a noun. The example is going to explain it in much better way. So here we have Jane is a doctor. Jane is a doctor. Please focus on the words that is written with the red color. So Jane is the noun. Jane is a doctor. Then we have another sentence. She works in the hospital. So instead of writing Jane again, we wrote she. So she here is the pronoun of the noun Jane. And of course we wrote she, the pronoun she, because she's a woman. Jane is the name of a woman and we use the pronoun she with women and girls. Alright, so right now we will learn how to use the grammar rule that we have. How to use it, alright? So let's read together, please follow me. The object of a sentence can be placed by a pronoun. The object of a sentence can be replaced by a pronoun. I know like it's gonna be a little bit challenging for you to get it, but the examples are going to be really helpful for you. So an example here, can you get some milk from the fridge? Alright, some milk. Instead of writing in the answer of this question like then pour it in the blender. Instead of writing some milk again, we replace this word with it, the pronoun it, because milk is something. So for things we use the pronoun it, and for animals as well. So can you get me some milk from the fridge, then pour it in the blender. If we are going to use the same noun again, we will say like then pour some milk in the blender. So it refers to the noun here, some milk. Now we will learn the two main types of pronouns. We have singular pronouns and we have plural pronouns. And we will start with the singular. Look at the table here. We have two main columns. The first one is subject pronouns and the other one includes object pronouns. We must learn the subject pronouns to know the object pronouns. This is the main focus for today's grammar rule. But we need to know the subject of these object pronouns. So, the subject pronoun of me is I. The subject pronoun of you is you. In some cases we have the same, they are the same. The subject pronoun and the object pronoun are the same. Then, the subject pronoun of him is he. The subject pronoun of her is she. And the subject pronoun of it is it. They are the same here and here. The subject and the object pronouns are the same. Now let's move to talk about the plural pronouns. And here we have we, the subject pronoun is we, so the object of it is us. You is you, the plural form of you is you. They, the object pronoun of it is going to be them. So let's move to get some more examples that would help us to understand this grammar rule right here. More examples, SVO. What is the meaning of SVO? Well, this is the type of the sentence, which means that it starts with a subject, followed by a verb, and then an object. Alright? So here, I saw Ali. Alright? I saw him. Him here is related to Ali. Alright? The second one, I talked to Sarah. I talked to her. So the object pronoun, this is subject, verb, preposition, and object. So the object pronoun for Sarah is her. She's a girl, and him because Ali is a boy. And you have this picture that will explain more things about the pronouns. And our main focus is on the first two columns, subject pronouns and object pronouns. And here you have them all, singular and plural together. So right now I would like you to look on your books where you will start with task number 2. And this is how task 2 looks like, read and learn. As I told you, here you have the subject pronouns. On this side of this box, we have the subject pronouns, and the object pronouns are written with red color. So the subject pronoun of me is I, the subject pronoun of you is you, the subject pronoun of him is he, etc. And we talked about this in the previous slides. The object of a sentence can be replaced by a pronoun, and this is the example that we talked about, that we put it, which is the pronoun, instead of some milk, an object pronoun. So please remember that the pronoun, the object pronoun him, is for men, he, and we use the object pronoun her for women, and it for things or animals. So let's move to task number 3 right now. What do we need to do here is to read these examples that we have. We have 6 sentences, and we have to circle the correct answer, so it's a multiple choice kind of question. The first one is done for us. I can hear my brother, but I can't see him. Why him? Because brother, and brother means he's a boy. So the object pronoun is him. Let's read the other sentences together. I've got a problem. Please help her, you, or me. I've got a problem. So I'm talking about myself, right? I've got a problem. Please help. Correct answer is gonna be me. Please put a circle on me. Number 3, are you lost? So somebody is asking somebody else, are you lost? I live here. I can show you, us, or them the way. Are you lost? So someone is asking somebody else, which one of these object pronouns are correct? You. The pronoun you. Number 4, is that your coat? Please put it, or put them, or put you in the cupboard. We're talking about coat, and when we talk about things or animals, we use the pronoun it. Put a circle on it, the first choice that you have here. Number 5, please, can you get me the tomatoes out of the fridge and wash it, you, or them? Tomatoes. Tomatoes. This noun here is plural, tomatoes, which means more than one. The pronoun that we need to use with plural is them. If it's 1 tomato, then it's going to be please wash it. But we have tomatoes, so please wash them. Alright. The last example that we have, we want to make smoothies. Mom, can you help? We want to make smoothie. We. So what is the object pronoun for this subject pronoun? We. Well, we stands for I and you. So we want to make smoothies. Mom, can you help? Us. Alright, so now let's check the answers together of task number 3, read and circle. And here you have the answers. First one is done, him. The second one, me. The third one, you. The fourth one, it. The fifth one, them. And the sixth one is us. Please make sure that you have put the circle on the correct answer. And right now we will move to task number 4. This is how the task looks like. And here we have 4 pictures. Picture number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the answer of picture number 1 is given for us. Look at me, I've made a great smoothie. Look at me, I've made a great smoothie. So this boy is talking to his mom and he's telling her that he have made a great smoothie. So we need to choose the object pronoun from this box. So me is done. We have to put the correct object pronoun regarding to the pictures that we have. So let's move to picture number 2 and read it together. You can go and play with space now. Look at the picture. We have 2 boys here are playing and the mom is telling her daughter. So which of these object pronoun do you think is correct to answer this sentence right here? Take your time and think about it. Sentence number 3. Can I help space dad? So this boy is offering his dad some help. Can I help space dad? So is the answer going to be, can I help them dad? Can I help you dad? Or can I help her dad? Look at the picture and try to guess the correct answer. The last picture that we have, where is your sister? I can't find space. Sister. What is the object pronoun that we use for sister? Sister is a girl. Alright. So right now, we will check the answers of this task together. The first one is me, the second one is them, the third one is you, and the fourth one is her. So let's go back and read it with the answers. Look at me, I've made a great smoothie. Second one, you can go and play with them now. Them, group of people. Number 3, can I help you dad? And number 4, where is your sister? I can't find her. Please put the answers in their places. Now I would like you to open your workbooks on page 97 and we will start solving the activities or the tasks that we have. What do we need to do in task number 1 is to read and match, and here we have 7 sentences that require a complement. So we have to match the first side of this task with the second side, the numbers with the letters. We will read them together and try to guess the answers while I'm reading. The first sentence is done for us, so number 1 goes with see. I can see Millie. I can see her over there. So Millie is the name of the girl, and the object pronoun used for Millie, the girl, is her. I can see her. Sentence number 2. The apples are over there. The apples, it's a plural noun. What is the pronoun that we use with plural? Number 3. I'm going to help Dad. Number 4. I can't find my bag. Number 5. I need some help. Number 6. Ricky and I are in this photo. Number 7, which is the last one. Do you have a problem? You can stop the video if you want and try to match these examples with the other side of this task, and we will check the answers together in a while. So now I will read you the sentences with their correct answers. I would like you to guess the correct letter to put it inside this small square that you have here, and then we will check the answers in the answers slide. Alright, so number 2, the apples are over there. Can you put them on this plate? Number 3, I'm going to help Dad. I'm going to help him wash the car. Number 4, I can't find my bag. I can't see it anywhere. Number 5, I need some help. Please help me. Sentence number 6 is Ricky and I are in this photo, so can you find us? Ricky and I. Last one, do you have a problem? Can I help you? So now let's go and check the answers together. So please put the letters in the correct place. The first one is done for us, C. The second one, E. The third one, F. The fourth one, A. The fifth one, B. The sixth one is G, and the last one here is D. Now we will move to task number 2, and what we need to do here is to circle the object pronouns in column B above. So it's related to task number 1, and our main focus is going to be in column B, the one with the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What we need to do is to circle the object pronouns that we have. So in the first one, I can see it anywhere. I can see it anywhere. Which one of these is the object pronoun? It's it. In A, we are talking about the bag, alright? So the bag is a thing. The object pronoun is it. Put a circle on it. B, please help me. Which one of these words is the object pronoun? C, I can see her. D, can I help you? Which one is the object pronoun? Then E, can you put them on this plate? F, I'm going to help him wash the car. And G, can you find us? Let's move and check the answers together. So in the first example, A, you have to put a circle on it. The second one, put a circle on me. The third one, her. The fourth one, you. Can I help you? This is the object pronoun, is you. E, them. Can you put them on this plate? F is him. I'm going to help him wash the car. The last one is us. Now let's move to task number 3, and in this task we have to write and put the pronouns in the correct place. And here we have two main pictures. We have a dialogue between a lost boy and a woman in the train station. He's waiting for his uncle and aunt to arrive, and let's start reading. So the lost boy starts this dialogue. We're looking for the station, but we can't find it. So the pronoun it refers to the station. Can you help? Space, please. So the boy is not alone. Someone is with him. What is the pronoun that we write or that we put when we have you and I? Can you help? Us, please. So the woman responds, I'm going there too. You can follow. Space. What is the correct pronoun? Try to guess the correct answers while I'm reading for you. Then the boy says, thank you. We're going to meet my aunt and uncle at the station. Then they reach the station. So the second picture, they are already in the station. The woman says, can you see your aunt and uncle? So the boy says, no, I can't see. Space, anywhere. There are a lot of people. The woman says, that man is waving. Is he your uncle? The boy says, yes, that's space. So we're talking about his uncle. His uncle is a man. The pronoun that we use for men is what? Then the woman says, and is that your aunt? The boy says, yes, that's space. Thank space so much for your help. So in the first one, which is number 6, you have some numbers written here, small numbers. In number 6, yes, that's space. We're talking about his aunt, right? She is a woman. The pronoun that we use with a woman is what? And the last one is thank you. Let's check the answers together. Please write them and be careful with your handwriting. So the first one is done, which is it, but we can't find it. Can you help us, please? Number 3, follow me. Number 4, I can't see them anywhere. We're talking about his aunt and uncle, them. Number 5 is that's him, and number 6 is that's her, and the last one is thank you. Now let's move to your homework, which is going to be writing the object pronouns for the following. So here you have the subject pronouns: I, she, he, it, they, we, you, and we learned that the subject pronouns are two main types. We have singular subject pronouns and plural, and same for the object pronouns, and here you have them all. We have studied this in the rule at the beginning of this video. The only thing I want you to do is to put the object pronouns here next to their subject pronoun, and that's it. If you have any inquiries, you can send me on WhatsApp, and all the best.